Hello there, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. Together, we own DryTech Exteriors, your premier destination for gutter installation services in Dayton, Ohio. Proper gutter installation is key to protecting your home from water damage, and understanding the right materials, placement, and maintenance can significantly impact your home's longevity and safety.
Gutters play a crucial role in directing rainwater away from your home's foundation, walls, and landscaping. At DryTech Exteriors, we specialize in custom gutter installations that complement your home's specific drainage needs and aesthetic preferences. Our goal is to ensure your gutters are not just functional, but also enhance the overall appearance and value of your property.
What sets our gutter installation process apart? It begins with our personalized consultation approach. When you reach out to DryTech Exteriors, we listen carefully to your needs and preferences, conduct a thorough assessment of your home's exterior, and recommend the best gutter solutions tailored to your situation. Our team uses only the highest quality materials and the latest installation techniques to guarantee your gutters are durable, efficient, and visually appealing.
Installing gutters is more than just attaching troughs to your roof line. It's about creating a comprehensive water management system that protects your home from the damaging effects of uncontrolled rainwater. Improperly installed or inadequate gutters can lead to water accumulation, foundation damage, soil erosion, and even basement flooding. That's why it's essential to work with a trusted company that not only understands the technical aspects of gutter installation, but also prioritizes your home's long-term protection.
So why choose DryTech Exteriors for your gutter installation needs? Well, our dedication to quality, attention to detail, and customer satisfaction set us apart. Our team comprises experienced professionals committed to delivering top-notch installation services. We ensure your gutters are installed with precision and care, backed by warranties that give you peace of mind, knowing your home is well protected against rainwater.
Our reputation for excellence in Dayton speaks volumes. DryTech Exteriors has been voted Best of Dayton, is a favorite on Nextdoor, and we are proud recipients of the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. Our Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status highlights our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Our numerous 5-star reviews are a testament to our dedication to providing exceptional service and craftsmanship in every gutter installation project. An effective gutter installation by a professional team like DryTech Exteriors can significantly enhance your home's water management system, curb appeal, and overall value. Don't overlook the importance of well-installed gutters. Choose DryTech Exteriors. Reach out to our Dayton family-owned business today for a comprehensive consultation and take the first steps towards safeguarding your home from water damage with our expert gutter installation services.